Hi guys, this is Prithvi Chandra, and I'm here to talk about a recent song that I'm doing. It's titled Evam Jagat, and this is for the film Evam Jagat. ఈ సాంగ్ గురించి నేను చాలా ఎక్సైటెడ్ ఉన్నా బికాస్ ఇట్స్ వన్ ఆఫ్ అ కైండ్ అండ్ ఇట్స్ అ క్వైట్ ఎక్స్పెరిమెంటల్ నంబర్. ఈ సాంగ్ గురించి ఫస్ట్ చెప్పాలంటే ఇట్స్ కంపోజ్డ్ బై ఒక అర్జెంటీనాలో ఒక బ్యాండ్ కంపోజ్ చేసిన సాంగ్ ఇది. And it's a proper salsa number. And the same time, it has beautiful philosophical lyrics written by Dinesh Garu, the director of the film. First time a track vinagane, I was like so excited with the track that it just blew me actually, because I have never performed something of that sort before. And it's quite because authentic salsa anedi that's my first time to experience that. And the track has come out so well. Lyrics kuda chaala meaningful ga, chaala beautiful vachinai, and I had great time working with Dinesh Garu and the entire team. I wish Evam Jagat all the best, and inka chaala pedda success chudalani manaspoorthi korukuntunnanu. Thank you so much, and please watch Evam Jagat. Thank you.
Please do subscribe to Madhura Audio.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audios.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audio.
Please subscribe to Madhura Audio. Please subscribe to Madhura Audio. Don't forget to subscribe to Madhura Audio.